Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. Hi teachers, this video is for you. In today's video, we will learn how to use Kahoot in a Bitmoji classroom. Thank you Kahoot for making this video possible. All of the steps have been brought to you by Kahoot. Connecting with students virtually can be challenging. When you're on one side of the screen and they're on the other, let your Bitmoji help you run the virtual lesson and make it awesome. This school year, many teachers turned to Bitmoji to create a safe, familiar, and motivating environment in their virtual lessons. According to teachers, they're hooked, addicted, or obsessed with creating their Bitmoji classrooms, and we can see why. Not familiar with Bitmoji yet? It's your personalized cartoon avatar that you can use in various apps, and it's been particularly popular among educators. With Kahoot's new integration, you can add your Bitmoji to a live Kahoot to help you liven up your virtual classroom. Add a more personal and familiar feel to it, and better connect with your students. This feature is available for free for all teachers. Thank you, Kahoot! But that's not all. Not only teachers, but anyone on Kahoot can now use their Bitmoji as their profile picture. Add a personal touch and let the community know who stands behind those awesome Kahoots. Moreover, students can use Bitmoji when competing in leagues. Read on for more details about each of these capabilities. How to add Bitmoji Classroom to a live Kahoot. If you haven't designed your Bitmoji yet, you can do this within the Bitmoji app on your phone. It only takes a couple of minutes. Then you need to add it as your Kahoot profile picture. Here's how. In your browser, please do the following steps. Number one, log into your Kahoot account at kahoot.com. Number two, click the arrow next to your profile picture in the top right corner and go to Settings. Number three, in the User Information section, click Connect with Bitmoji. Number four, you'll be prompted to connect your Snapchat account. Log into it in order to do it. In the Kahoot app, number one, make sure you're logged into your Kahoot account. Number two, tap your profile image in the top left corner of the screen. Number three, tap the image in order to change it and select Bitmoji. If you have the Snapchat app on your phone, Kahoot will connect your Bitmoji automatically. So before I move on with the next steps, the most important things you have to do are get the Bitmoji app on your phone and the Kahoot app on your phone. Now you're all set to add a Bitmoji classroom to your live Kahoot. Here's how it works. Let's follow these steps. Number one, open a Kahoot you'd like to host. Click play and teach. Number two, toggle Bitmoji on in the game options. Number three, your Bitmoji will be displayed in the classroom themed lobby while students are joining the Kahoot and in the final podium. Use a Bitmoji as your Kahoot profile picture. Now that you've added a Bitmoji as your Kahoot profile picture, it'll be displayed next to Kahoots you've created, like this. This feature is available for all Kahoot users. Liven up leagues with Bitmoji. The recently launched leagues within the Kahoot app give learners an engaging and fun way to study together. compete, and connect virtually. A league is a virtual group where learners can invite their friends, add Kahoots, and follow a joint scoreboard as members are completing games. Now, with the addition of Bitmoji, competition will get an even more social and personal feel. Students' Bitmoji avatars will be displayed in the league lobby, on the scoreboard, and podium. Liven up leagues with Bitmoji. Yes, let's do that. In our next virtual lesson, the recently launched leagues within the Kahoot app give learners an engaging and fun way to study together, compete, and connect virtually. A league is a virtual group where learners can invite their friends, add Kahoots, and follow a joint scoreboard as members are completing games. Now, with the addition of Bitmoji, competition will get an even more social and personal feel. Students' Bitmoji avatars will be displayed in the league lobby, on the scoreboard, and podium. In today's video, we learned how to use Kahoot in a Bitmoji classroom. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.